Would you like to grow your own high-quality food? I'll tell you how we use rainwater for irrigation, how to make a cheap 150-gallon tank, and show you underground rainwater collection tank with a capacity of 19 cubic meters. My name is Alexei. I'm 44 and I live in non-existent country, unrecognized Transnistria. This is the former territory of Moldova, East Europe, with its own government, currency, and laws. Most people here speak Russian. The local population is Ukrainians, Russians, Moldovians, and Bulgarians like me. So forgive my Russified English. I would appreciate your correction. Moldova is one of the poorest countries in Eastern Europe. The average salary in Moldova is 700 per month, $700. But here in Transnistria, it is 315. So we are trying to become self-sufficient and grow our own food. We don't use any poisons or chemical fertilizers and collect rainwater for irrigation. Unlike water from the well, rainwater doesn't contain salts. It's soft, it's heated in barrels, and plants really like it. 8 years ago, I bought these barrels for $2 each and welded them together. I use them to water the greenhouse to this day. When I leak, I can hand them in for scrap metal and get $2 back. So I use these barrels for almost free. How I got it? 115 gallons for about $5. Before opening the barrel, I rinsed it with water. Then I made a shallow cut around the bottom, about 1 millimeter deep, and knocked out the bottom with a chisel. I didn't know what was stored in these barrels before, so after opening I thoroughly washed them with water and baking soda. I also didn't know how to utilize this dirty water, so I used it to make concrete for construction work. What do you think? How can rusty water be disposed of? After washing there was no smell. I really liked the result. This is a repaired all-cast iron tap, 1-inch diameter. Since the hole in the bottom is 2-inch, I had to buy an adapter to connect the tap. And plastic adapter. Some of the cutout bottoms I cleaned and painted. The tripod stand was welded from the remains of a half-inch iron pipe to the sides of the bottom. This stand is quite stable and doesn't wobble even uneven surface. I removed two bottoms from the other barrel, and after washing it thoroughly, I welded two barrels together. After 1 year of use, the metal starts to rust. Then the barrel should be treated with cement from the inside. The water is pumped from special underground rainwater collection tank with a capacity of 19 cubic meters. In the next video I'll show you how to build such a tank.
Сейчас пусть воздух выйдет. Мы пройдемся туда вглубь, покажем, как капает водичка. Там органика есть.
Я его оторвать не могу.
Вверх, вверх, да, вот так.
Я думала.
In February, a new agricultural season begins. I prepare the barrels, treat them with cement against corrosion. Cement adheres well directly to the rusty surface and doesn't allow corrosion to spread further. To ensure the cement hardens well, I turn the barrel upside down over a well-moistened area and leave it for 2 days.
Весна пришла.
In March, we sow radishes because
Таня вот делает.
it is still too cold for other vegetables.
Неделя, да? Вот такие солдатики.
A month later, we will sell radishes at the market.
Ну, я думаю, нам хватит покушать, да?
О. И так, если издалека смотреть, как будто ты на пляже срастил.
Да? Еще больше просмотров будет.
Да.
Что, она так выглядит?
Да? Вот. Вот из этих двух. Это прикольно.
Очень классно.
After radishes, we plant cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and sometimes watermelons. As a fertilizers, we use organic humus, wood ash, and mulch. We have fresh vegetables most of the year. Some are stored for the winter. The surplus we sell at the market. The climate here is quite hot in summer, so for the dry season we store rainwater. I'll tell you what underground reservoirs were built here. Typical for our area. This is my first video on YouTube channel. I would appreciate your like, comment, and correction. Thank you very much for watching.